guys, so now we're going to buy our ingredients for what we're going to make today. I'm so excited. Aren't you excited? So yep. Okay guys, so now you won't hear me talk properly because of this mask, but now we have to buy the veggies for our ingredients as I told you earlier. So follow me. So now we're gonna take the pasta. We're gonna be using chili pasta. Let me see. Now this is the right one. So like yeah, some of our ingredients we can't find them, so we have to move to different shops and all of that. Oh, guys, it's going to be so stressful, but oregano and oregano are the same thing, but hey, we're experimenting, so let's do it. Okay guys, welcome back. So we went shopping earlier to buy our ingredients for our Cajun chicken. So here we have thyme and garlic salt and oregano and cayenne pepper and paprika, and of course black pepper has to be everywhere. We mixed this into a beautiful mixture. As you can see here, we're going to mix it with our chicken and see if it works out. So let's see. So we've seasoned the chicken with our Cajun seasoning, and now we're going to cook it. We're just gonna add some butter and olive oil, then we're gonna cook the chicken. So we're now gonna put the onion into the skillet. Okay, now we are going to pour our chicken soup into the mixture of what we were doing. It's substitution because we couldn't find the chicken broth. So yeah. So now we're going to pour the pasta into the chicken mixture. Okay, so guys, we have our cream here. We're going to pour it to our chicken mixture. So let's see.